3 cantilevered elevated volumes overlooking the landscape of open fields and desert areas define the Inn House, a countryside residence in Piura, Peru. Supported by exposed concrete walls and angled in different directions, each of the suspended volumes is clad with Corten panels, a type of pre-rusted steel. Designed by Cheng Plus Franco Arquitecto Studio from Lima, this 972 square meters house is located on a 24-acre site occupied by a farm for breeding and training horses, but lacked accommodations for the owner and their guests to fully enjoy the place and the horses. Board-marked concrete is left exposed across the walls and slanted ceilings of the open-plan living and kitchen room. Each elevated volume has a different function and orientation. The first, on the side nearest to the horse training and exhibition field, the projecting structure forms a canopy above the terrace located next to the swimming pool. The second, which is the tallest volume, contains the master bedroom, and the last one contains the 3 guest bedrooms. They are oriented to enjoy the landscape, the sunset, and the horse exhibition field. Perforated holes in the metal are intended to filter light in various ways according to the different internal functions. A 3-story high void cuts through the center of the middle block to accommodate a red steel spiral staircase. The ceiling is covered with white and wooden blocks. The surrounding walls are lined with shelves to showcase trophies won from horse competitions. In the basement, where the wine cellar is located, these shelves provide storage for wine bottles. These rectangular boxes are made of extruded MDF, which not only hold the different trophies and wines, but also function as lighting features. The staircase is connected to the different levels by small bridges. The idea was to use the staircase as a platform from which people could contemplate all the various trophies. Piura, due to its geographical location, is both tropical and arid at the same time. The weather, rainy sometimes, is mostly stable and have pleasant summer temperatures in the lows 30s and mid-20s degrees Celsius. The area where the site sits, even the site itself, was mostly desert. The land was then worked to allow for adequate conditions for a hatchery of horses. The house can be described as a country house, but it is fact, a house in the middle of the desert.